Canadians leg up tonight?
Yeah,
Get to that in a minute.
It's a joke leg up tonight. Markov gets the first goal, as you know. You're going to show it, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
The big cut, as you know. Go ahead, Will. And I've got... Anyhow, he gets this kind of a chintzy goal, but it's a goal anyhow. Now, you know the cut. Janssen got cut last year with in the calf. Lang got it this year. Cam Ward, see there? Cam Ward got it. I don't know, an awful lot of guys getting cut this year with it. Now, this is a Tactic armored sock, and I think it's pretty good. It's 400 times more powerful than an ordinary sock. It's just resistance. It's not proof anyhow. And look at that, and it's nice and thin, and it looks like it did a pretty good job.
I want to say Emma Hobson of Oakville also watched Coach's Corner last week, Don, and she's a short track speed skater of Oakville, and that's the one she's wearing. So there's a number of them now with Kevlar. In fact, the short track speed skaters, you know how that's a suicide sport. They've got it where it covers off, and Cam Ward could use it because it covers off a lot of the body parts. Wherever it's yellow, there's Kevlar in there to help prevent the skate blade from cutting. So it's available. Just ask. Short track speed skating.
I know you're all watching Team Canada.